guys, so today we're going to be trying this Likit. Actually, it's not the Likit brand, it's the Jolly brand, but whatever. They have the same pretty much flavors. So we're going to have Cameo and May try it. So let me get them.
Okay. Yes? That's not for you. That's so sad. Are you upset too? Oh.
Not interested at all. The boys are going to try it. Here we go.
Ah, you're eating that? Oh my. Oh.
That's good.
Why would you eat it?
That's the whole point.
What? Is it gonna make you sick?
No, am I supposed to swallow it though? Okay,
Did I like take you to the hospital or something?
Okay, slight brain malfunction. Got this idea from Molly and the Grays, and she does swallow it. So we're gonna swallow it, but the apple is really good. Try it.
No way. Did you take 2 bites?
3.
Oh.
Alright, so I eat them.
No.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. God. Oh.
Oh.
Yes. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I like that.
I love.
Yes. It's a yes in my book.
Okay. Want another bite?
What?
I don't like the Jolly brand. 10 out of 10 for me.
A 10 out of 10?
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
Nope, we're rubbing it.
Oh, that's where his snot was. Oh, I can see it dripping.
They're horses. It's fine.
Why would you do it right where he has
They're not
snot?
dirty.
It's...
But we're gonna do some more reviews. So come back for that.
Okay.
We'll probably be ordering some of the actual Likit brands too. So come back for more. Bye guys.
Okay.